In part 1, we calculated the cost to get a perfect, empty container onto its foundation. It's a huge milestone, a clean slate full of potential. But this empty box is a liar. It whispers promises of simplicity and low costs. The truth is, the most expensive, complex, and crucial phase of the entire build is about to begin. This is the battle to tame the steel envelope, a battle against physics and unforeseen expenses. And this is where most budgets are completely destroyed. The first battle is against the box itself. You need light and a way to get in, which means cutting holes. But every cut is like performing surgery. You're creating a wound in the container's steel skin. To heal it, you need to bring in a specialist, a professional welder, whose time can run from $75 to $150 per hour. They'll build a new steel skeleton around each opening. For a typical home, this surgery can easily add $3,000 to $8,000 to your budget. It's the price you pay to safely let the light in. Next, you have to build a shield. A steel box is terrible at handling temperature. It becomes an oven in the summer and a freezer in the winter, and it loves to create moisture. The best shield is closed-cell spray foam, but it's like calling in a special forces team. It's professional, effective, and expensive. Having a crew suit up and create this seamless protective layer inside your container will typically cost between $2,500 and $5,000. It's a number that feels steep, but it's the cost of winning the war against rust and mold. A container's original roof is its weak spot. It's flat and designed for stacking, not for weather. Water is the ultimate enemy of steel, and a flat roof invites it to stick around. So, you need to give your home a crown, a separate, traditional roof built on top. Just a simple, sloped roof to guide the rain away can add $2,000 to $6,000 to the bill. It might feel like you're building a hat for a box, but this crown is what keeps your kingdom dry. Finally, you have to give your home its eyes. The holes you paid a surgeon's price to create now need to be filled. This is where your budget can either stay grounded or launch into the stratosphere. A set of basic, good quality windows and a door might run you $2,000 to $4,000. But those stunning floor-to-ceiling glass walls you see in the dream photos? That's the luxury option. That single choice can launch this part of your budget to $10,000 or even $20,000. It's the difference between a window and a world-class view. So, let's look at the tally for this phase alone. The surgery, the shield, the crown, and the eyes. Best case scenario, you've just added another $10,000 to your budget. Worst case, it could be over $40,000 on top of all our Phase 1 costs. Our steel box is now a true weatherproof home shell, but it's still an empty canvas on the inside. If you're ready to see the final numbers, make sure you're subscribed, because in Part 3, we go inside. We'll break down the costs of electrical, plumbing, and all the finishes to arrive at the grand total.